his lawyer asked court to bring the person who believed that he is not this person. You understand? So could it be it is true, this image is for the president, but it's a fact that this image does not belong to the president. It is only the president who can come and say, this is me, or this is not.
So they ask for the president to actually be brought to provide that testimony.
Yes.
That's interesting. It's what I heard. I'm not sure whether it's true, but it's what I heard where the lawyers for, if you remember what happened in Shakahola with the Mackenzie, someone was asking the prosecution to provide evidence that the people who had died are not in heaven. So you have to provide that information, which is definitely very, very interesting. But what I will mention for people to use.
The same case also happened between Wajakoya and Yesu Watongaren.
Yeah. When
he asked court to produce the real Yesu.
Yes, the Jesus.
Yes. So that they can do a comparison.
Yes.
So that to wajue nani Yesu wa kamili. Kama huyu sio mnamjua Yesu Watongaren. Yesu kamili yuko wapi?
Yes, very, 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 very true. But what I will mention should be perhaps what I normally use to guide me is not every information, even if it's truthful or not truthful, not every information that's being given to you does not necessarily mean that it's worth sharing out. Normally what I do is, for instance, if someone shares a video of someone who's being found in extramarital affairs out there, I don't see how that helps the public by me sharing it publicly, like beyond just infringing the rights of privacy of this person. So for me, normally I ask the question is there a public good that we're trying to push by sharing this information out there? For instance, it's a matter of corruption where someone has misused public resources. It's a matter of certain thing that has not been done in the right way. The Nairobi hospital conversation becomes very, very important because it's a company limited by guarantee, which means it's supposed to be doing some public good of sorts. So that becomes the really, really big question that I ask. And then there's the question of, even when we're sharing the information, I'm sure you saw during the protest for the taxation beats that we are having, where people were even sharing phone numbers of people. They're saying like asalimiwe, and people were being, like trolled and getting messages and threats and all that. So not all information can be shared. My telephone number, it's true, but you sharing it out there, it's not just a defense by saying it's true, because that's private information and I should be allowed to have some privacy. It's one of our rights under the Constitution. So for me, that becomes really, really important.